Oh yeah, boy, we're at Mette, man. We're gonna check out some cool cars, man. So check this out, boys and gals. This is a four-wheel drive 2.8 liter VR6 Mark IV Golf. Absolutely incredible, with around 250 horsepower. That is pretty crazy for a car like this. With Porsche wheels, of course, for greater grip. I just talked to the owner. He told me that it grips super duper well, especially for a Mark IV Golf. But it's a true synchro four-wheel drive with a VR6. Listen to this, boys and gals. Whoa. Just listen to this. The best day ever. Experience right here. That's like crazy. The car uses like 200 kilos of weight when you get on boost. It doesn't weigh anything. And now we go. To say the least, this car was absolutely incredible. The 205 with a turbo. I mean, it's proper. It's proper. I couldn't even stay in my seat. The seat was slightly unbolted. The tires were slightly worn. So the car was going like dug, 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 on the corners. But goddamn, when the turbo kicks in, it just loses 200 kilos of its weight. It's incredibly fast.